Hey everybody, we talked about these PRP fold down seats in our last shop walk. We had some comments about more information, so here you go. This is KC Highlights Turbo R, and this is the new PRP XCR fold down seat for the rear of the Turbo R, Pro XP. They also make it in a GT3 seat, but it's nice because it gives you the factory option of folding down bottom seat. So they have the factory seat belt, so it makes it a little bit more tricky because we're going to leave the back of the seat and the harness is through the belt. So you hit the latch to release the bottom and kind of maneuver that seat out of the way. But then the bottom one will fold down and give you your flat base just like the factory one. Typically, if your seat belts aren't run through, if you did a clip-in seat belt through PRP also, then you can get rid of the back seat. But you can kind of see how it works with the option of folding down. There you go. If you have any other questions, let us know when you're seeing our shop walks. If there's stuff you want to see more of, please let us know in the comments and we'll give you more detailed info.